Hello, thank you for joining me today. In this video, we will discuss the steps that need to be taken to install our version 4.0 training dataset. To install it when we will be training with your company at your location. There is also matching documentation concerning this that will be sent to you to help as well. This is more of a visual guide. These are the following steps we will walk through. First, we will install the Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Then we'll install the training version of version 4.0. Next, we will install the dataset used for the training that you will be working on, and then we'll install Suite Notify. We will also cover how to swap out the datasets as well as how to uninstall the software. Now we will go through a visual example of installing the training dataset on a workstation. First, we need to extract the data. Open the executable and it will extract to your C drive. Then we will need to install the Microsoft SQL Server. This takes a decent amount of time. When the SQL Server is finished installing, you will need to install the special training edition of our software. Follow the prompts. If you want to read the documentation as well, you are more than welcome to do so. For the company information, leave it as it is to match the training dataset that will be loaded in later. The next prompt will show where the suite will install. If you want to change it, you are more than welcome to. For the next couple of prompts, just keep what it is in the blanks. Then it will begin the installation process. The next stage pertains to setting up desktop. Follow the prompts. Now we will go into the share where the software installed to and run dataset setup. Log into the database, and then follow the prompts, and we will be installing the rest of the suite to the workstation. Once that is done, you can install the notification configuration. Follow the prompts. That's how to properly install the training set. Now we will move on to the next section. Next, let's show how to swap out training sets. There are a couple instances of training where it will need the admin complete training dataset. Go back to the share and run dataset setup. Pick the desired dataset and let it run. For the last section of the video, we will discuss how to uninstall the training software. Go to Control Panel to Programs and Features. Uninstall the Suite notifications first. Then uninstall Waypoint Global Suite. Select all of the programs and click the checkbox on Remove Work Files. Click Next and it will run through the uninstall process. The last thing to uninstall is Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Select Remove. Before you are done, go to your C drive and remove the WPG share and the WPG folder, and in your Documents directory, delete the WPG Suite Training Documents folder. And that is how to install the training dataset and swap the training datasets, as well as how to uninstall. If you need any other assistance, please let us know at technical support.
If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you need to talk to a member of tech support, please use the information on the screen to reach us. We are available via email and phone Monday through Friday. We will help you with whatever you need.